Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to the world of Apple's latest marvels, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. These smartphones, unveiled in September 2023, are a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore every facet of these devices, helping you decide if they're the right choice for you. Design and display. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus continue Apple's legacy of exquisite design. Available in stunning colors like pink, yellow, green, blue, and classic black, they are a treat for the eyes. However, the most significant design departure is the shift from the Lightning port to the industry-standard USB-C. This change, while welcome, is accompanied by a minor disappointment: data transfer speeds that remain at USB 2.0 levels. One outstanding design innovation is the dynamic island display, first seen in the iPhone 14 Pro series. This feature replaces the notch with a sleek, immersive design, housing the front-facing TrueDepth camera and sensors. It enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Performance and camera. Powering these devices is Apple's mighty A16 Bionic chip, building upon the excellence of its predecessor, the A15. The A16 not only delivers enhanced performance, but also offers improved energy efficiency. This translates to smoother multitasking, quicker app launches, and unrivaled gaming experiences. For photography enthusiasts, the iPhone 15 series brings a host of enhancements. The primary camera boasts an impressive 48-megapixel sensor with quad-pixel technology. This ingenious technology defaults to capturing 24-megapixel photos, ensuring exceptional detail. Additionally, a new 2x telephoto option has been introduced, providing fresh, creative possibilities. A notable upgrade lies in portrait photography. The iPhone 15 automatically captures depth information when it detects a person, dog, or cat in the frame. This eliminates the need to switch to portrait mode manually, resulting in crisper, more vibrant portraits, especially in low-light conditions with night mode improvements. Connectivity and proximity. The iPhone 15 series maintains robust support for 5G connectivity, covering both sub-6 GZ and M-Wave bands in the United States. The inclusion of the Qualcomm X70 modem ensures a fast and reliable connection. It's noteworthy that these iPhones follow the trend of shipping without a physical SIM card, relying on eSIM technology for carrier support. A standout feature in the iPhone 15 series is the second-generation ultra-wideband UWB chip. This enhancement significantly extends the range for proximity-based functionality. Precision finding in Find My app allows you to track down friends, even in crowded places. Battery life and storage. Battery life remains consistent with their predecessors. The iPhone 15 offers up to 20 hours of video playback, while the larger iPhone 15 Plus extends that to 26 hours. These devices support both wired charging via USB-C and wireless charging via MagSafe and KitWoo. In terms of storage, the iPhone 15 series offers three options: 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. This range ensures ample space for apps, photos, videos, and all your digital needs. Pricing and conclusion. Pricing for the iPhone 15 models aligns with previous generations. The standard 6.1-inch iPhone 15 starts at $799, while the larger 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Plus begins at $899. These price points represent an excellent balance between performance and affordability, making them a compelling choice for users seeking a smartphone upgrade. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are more than just incremental upgrades. They represent the pinnacle of Apple's smartphone technology, boasting stunning design, robust performance, and camera innovations. The transition to USB-C and the dynamic island display add a touch of sophistication to these devices. Whether you're an avid photographer, a power user, or someone simply seeking a reliable and stylish smartphone, the iPhone 15 series deserves serious consideration. It's a testament to Apple's dedication to delivering innovative, high-quality devices to its customers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the future of mobile technology with the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject or any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment box.